I use Timeline all the time. I use it every case. Almost every case has a chronology to it. It has a timeline to it, and so I build out a timeline when I'm first reviewing a case, and I just load the key documents into that timeline so that the timeline is the hardest thing for me to keep track of on any given case because when you're running a bunch of cases, everyone has a different timeline. I just pulled up a case that I built a timeline on a year ago, and it's now important to me in that case because it's getting close to some motion practice. And I don't have to go back and recreate that timeline. I built it when I first reviewed the case, and it's available for me right now to refresh myself. So I use Timeline Pad in almost every case that I have. And at the same time, I can easily sync that up, document carryover to TrialPad so that I can be prepared to present information. The other thing I do with TrialPad, and I spend a lot of time there, is I will treat a document with callouts, with highlights. I'll take a screenshot of that, and I will then capture that for use in static presentations, a PowerPoint, or I'll drop it into a brief. Increasingly, courts like images in briefs themselves. And so I'll bring in a screenshot, but that screenshot is always treated in TrialPad with a call out and highlight. So that's an everyday function for me as well.